Good morning, all of you. I am Amol Deshmukh, your math teacher. Exercise 3.5 from R.D. Sharma. Question number 36. Find the values of A and B for which the given system of equation has infinitely many solutions. In question number 36, there are 9 sub questions. Here I am taking sub question number 8. X plus 2y is equal to 1, and second equation a minus b into x plus a plus b into y is equal to a plus b minus 2. Here in the previous example, uh, given equation it is given that the given equation has infinitely many solution. Find the value of k. Here the question is same. Given equation has infinitely many solutions, but we have to find the value of two constant a and b. Here there are two constants a and b. So again we have to write these two linear equations in the standard form. Here this equation becomes x plus 2y plus 1, here the minus 1 is equal to 0, and second equation a minus b into x plus a plus b into y, and this minus 2 here it becomes plus 2, and plus a and plus b it becomes minus a and minus b is equal to 0. So it is given that given equation has infinitely many solutions. So write the condition for infinitely many solutions. Here a1 is equal to coefficient of x is 1, a1 equal to 1. A2 means coefficient of y, sorry, b1 is coefficient of y, so b1 equal to 2, and last term c1 is equal to minus 1. Here again coefficient of x in second equation is a2 equal to a minus b, coefficient of y is b2 equal to a plus b, and constant term is c2 equal to 2 minus a minus b. Given equation has infinitely many solutions, so write the condition for infinitely many solution. a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Substitute the values of a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2 here. Here a1 by a1 equal to 1, a2 equal to a minus b, therefore 1 by a minus b is equal to b1 by b1 is equal to 2, b2 equal to a plus b, so 2 upon a plus b is equal to c1 by c2, so c1 is minus 1 by c2, 2 minus a minus b. Here take the minus sign as a common from the denominator, so it becomes minus a and b are negative, both becomes positive, and this plus 2 it becomes minus 2, and then this minus become plus, so it becomes 1 upon a plus b minus 2. Take first two ratios. 1 upon a minus b is equal to 2 upon a plus b by cross multiplication. So 1 into a plus b, it is a plus b, and 2 into a 2 into minus b, that is minus 2b. Shift the like terms on the same side. Here this plus a it becomes minus a, and this minus 2b it becomes plus 2b. Here we get the equation a is equal to 3b. Write this as the equation number 1. Again take any one of the two ratios. Here we take first two ratios, then take second and third ratio, or first and third, because first two ratios we have already taken. So I am taking second and third. Here 2 upon a plus b is equal to 1 upon a plus b minus 2 is equal to 1 upon a plus b minus 2. Again by cross multiplication, 2 into a plus b minus 2 and a plus b into 1, it is a plus b. Multiply this bracket by 2. So it becomes, so 2 into a 2a, 2 into b 2b, 2 to the 4 is equal to a plus b. Again shift the like terms on the same side. This 2a as it is, plus a it becomes minus a, this minus 4 as it is, this b on the right side as it is, this plus 2b here it becomes minus 2b. Again 2a minus a, it is a, minus 4 as it is equal to b minus 2b. Again opposite signs are there, so subtract and write the sign of greater number. So 2b minus b, that is b, and write the sign of greater number, that is minus b. Right, this is equation number 2. So here put the value of a is equal to 3b in equation number 2. Put a is equal to 3b in equation number 2. So here a minus 4 equal to minus b. Replace this a by 3b. So 3b minus 4 as it is equal to minus b. Again shift the like terms on the same side. So it becomes 3b plus b, and this minus 4 it becomes plus 4. 3b plus b, that is 4b, is equal to 4. Therefore b is equal to 4 by 4. Therefore b is equal to 1. Substitute the value of b either in equation 2 or equation 1. But equation 1 is easy. So put b is equal to 1 in equation 1. In equation 1, so we get a is equal to 3b. So 3 into b is equal to 1. So 3 1s are 3. Therefore the value of a is equal to 3. So in this manner, solve the all sub questions of question number 36 and remaining same problems of this exercise.